Many people today believe a dangerous story. They think that artificial intelligence, or AI, is a magic crystal ball for the stock market. They hear about powerful computers and think these machines can predict every rise and fall. This idea is exciting, but it is also completely wrong and can lead you to make very bad financial decisions. The truth is that no computer program, no matter how smart, can see the future with perfect clarity. The market is driven by more than just numbers. It is driven by human emotions, surprising world events, and things that simply cannot be predicted ahead of time. Believing in a perfect AI predictor is a fantasy that could cost you your savings. This myth gets stronger every time we hear about a new AI breakthrough. We see AI creating art, writing poems, and solving complex problems. So, it is easy to assume it can solve the stock market too. But the market is not a math problem with one right answer. It is a chaotic system influenced by millions of people making choices every second. These choices are often based on fear, greed, and breaking news. An AI might analyze past data perfectly, but it cannot predict a sudden political announcement or a shocking public statement from a CEO. Relying on this myth is like sailing a ship by only looking at the wake behind you, not the storm clouds forming ahead. Let's look at a real-world example of this. In June 2025, a sudden public argument between Tesla's CEO, Elon Musk, and President Trump caused a massive shock. Tesla's stock value dropped by an incredible $152 billion in a single day. No AI model could have seen that coming. Why? Because it was not a logical, data-driven event. It was a human event, full of emotion and unpredictability. This shows the hard limit of AI in the real world of investing. It proves that even the most advanced algorithms can be blindsided by things they were not designed to understand, reminding us that risk is always present. Another common myth is that cash is always the safest place for you. This feels true because the dollar amount in your bank account does not go down. But this ignores a powerful and sneaky force of inflation. Inflation eats away at the value of your money over time. As prices for goods and services rise, each dollar you pay buys less and less. Since 1914, inflation has averaged about 3.27% a year. This means that if you buy $10,000 in cash, in 10 years it will only have the buying power of about $7,249. You did not lose dollars, but you lost your ability to use them. So, if AI is not a magic predictor, what is it good for? You must think of AI as a very smart, very fast assistant. Its real strength is in processing huge amounts of information almost instantly. An AI can scan thousands of news articles, company reports, and social media posts in minutes. It can identify historical trends and patterns that a human investor would never have the time to find. This helps people make more informed decisions, not perfect ones. AI is a tool that helps you analyze the present and the past. It does not give you a guaranteed map of the future. It is there to support your judgment, not replace it. One of the biggest mistakes an AI can make is finding patterns that are not really there. This is called finding a spurious correlation. A funny but famous example is the Super Bowl market indicator. For a long time, some people believed that if a team from the old NFC won the Super Bowl, the stock market would go up that year. If an AFC team won, the market would go down. This sounds silly, and it is. Data from 1980 to 2024 shows this theory holds no water. An AI could easily spot this fake pattern and think it is important, but it is just a coincidence. This teaches us a vital lesson. AI predictions are only as good as the real-world logic behind them. What AI cannot do is predict sudden, shocking events. These are often called black swan events because they are rare, have a massive impact, and are only explained after they happen. Think about major political shifts, natural disasters, or unexpected corporate scandals. These events are driven by complex human behavior and random chance, which are outside the scope of AI's data analysis. An AI model is trained on historical data, but the future is not always a repeat of the past. Relying solely on AI for your investment strategy leaves you completely exposed to these kinds of unpredictable market shocks. A smart investor knows this and prepares for the unexpected. AI is fantastic at automating disciplined, logical strategies. For example, it can help you stick to a plan like dollar cost averaging. This is where you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, no matter what the market is doing. This strategy helps you avoid the emotional traps of investing, like buying high out of fear of missing out, or FOMO, or selling low during a panic. AI can execute these trades for you automatically, removing your emotions from the equation. It helps you stick to a smart, long-term plan, which is where real wealth is built. It acts as a guardrail against your worst instincts. For a very long time, people believed you needed a lot of money to start investing. This was a huge barrier that kept most people out of the market. They thought you had to have thousands of dollars just to open an account or buy a single share of a big company. This myth made investing seem like a club for the rich. But today, thanks to technology and AI-powered platforms, this is no longer true. The wall that once stood between everyday people and the stock market has been torn down. Financial technology has opened the doors for everyone, regardless of how much money they have to start with. Modern investing apps have completely changed the game. Platforms like Fidelity, SoFi, and Acorns allow you to start investing with as little as $1. They do this through something called fractional shares. This means you can buy a small piece of a share instead of the whole thing. If one share of a popular tech company costs hundreds of dollars, you can now buy $5 or $10 worth of it. A 2024 study by Commonwealth found that 71% of new investors said it was much easier to get started than they had expected. AI helps power these platforms, making them user-friendly and accessible to all. AI also serves as a personal guide for new investors. Many of these modern platforms use AI to create personalized recommendations. When you sign up, you might answer a few simple questions about your financial goals, your age, and how much risk you are comfortable with. The AI then uses this information to suggest a diversified portfolio that is right for you. This takes the guesswork and fear out of making your first investments. It is like having a basic financial advisor in your pocket, helping you make smart choices from day one without the high fees that traditional advisors often charge. This new accessibility is a powerful force for building wealth. It means that you can start benefiting from the long-term growth of the market much earlier in your life. Instead of waiting until you have saved up a large sum, you can begin with small, regular contributions. Over time, thanks to the power of compound growth, even these small amounts can grow into a significant nest egg. AI and technology have democratized investing, giving everyone the opportunity to build a more secure financial future. It is no longer a privilege for the few, but a tool for the many. The temptation to chase high-risk, high-reward stocks is strong, especially when you see stories of people getting rich quick. We saw this with speculative assets like GameStop and Peloton. People jumped in, hoping for fast profits, but many ended up with huge losses. As of June 2025, GameStop was down over 63% from its peak, and Peloton was down more than 95%. This shows the danger of chasing hype instead of value. A truly smart investment strategy is not about finding the next lottery ticket. It is about building a diversified portfolio of solid assets and holding them for the long term. This approach is proven to be more reliable over time. AI can be your partner in building this kind of disciplined strategy. Instead of using it to try and predict the next hot stock, use it to maintain a balanced and diversified plan. AI-powered tools can help you automatically invest in low-cost index funds, which spread your money across hundreds or even thousands of companies. This immediately reduces your risk. If one company does poorly, it has a very small impact on your overall investment. This patient, diversified approach does not make for exciting headlines, but it is the most dependable path to building lasting wealth. It is the tortoise, not the hare, that wins the financial race. Even with all the amazing tools at our fingertips, the core principles of smart investing have not changed. Success in the market still requires patience, learning, and a long-term perspective. Do not let the promise of AI lull you into a false sense of security or encourage you to take foolish risks. Use AI to gather information, automate your savings plan, and stay disciplined. But you must also continue to educate yourself about how money works. Understand that market downturns are normal and that staying the course is often the best thing you can do. Your knowledge is your most powerful tool. In the end, you must approve of your own financial plan. AI is a powerful assistant, but you are the CEO of your money. Trust data, not myths. Understand that AI can help you analyze information and stick to a plan, but it cannot protect you from unpredictable events or your own bad decisions. The key is to combine the power of technology with timeless wisdom. Start early. Invest regularly in a diversified portfolio and have the patience to let your money grow. That is the approved, undeniable path to achieving your financial goals in the age of AI and beyond.